Okay, welcome back. And one last thing I want to show us before we dive into another topic is the comment, CSS comment. And so just like HTML, we had a way we added comments to it. CSS also has a way to add comments. This helps you to know, this helps you to know what you're doing. I've explained this in HTML. If you haven't watched the HTML tutorial, you can go ahead and watch it. And so to do comments, you use /**. So you do /2 asterisk, and so you can say start the header styling here. Okay, and so I like this a lot. I can copy this again and say end, because it helps me, because most time when you're building an app, you get to a point where your codes become so much and you'll not be able to. So here now I can go ahead and add a selector. I can say H1, then I'll do this. So whatever goes in here, I know that, oh, I'm starting header styling here, so I can go ahead and do another one and say body styling. So this is how important styling is. This is how important styling is. And so we would go on to round up with this. Then one more thing you need to know, CSS property names and many values are not case sensitive. In other words, you can type capital letter and you can type small letter. Okay, alright, that's for CSS. all right, so and that's it. In the next chapter, we're going to be dealing with selectors in details, how to pick an element, any element. We're going to explore it in details, and you're going to be happy being a part of this bootcamp.